Okay. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Oh my goodness, 2. Wow, they are generous. Yeah. I got 2. How do I deserve it? Butterfork. Butterfork. Is this the fork for butter? Let's take a look. Even though, let's take a look. Oh, I like this packaging. It's just a natural paper without anything fancy. Butterfork. Butter. Open it up. Ooh! Oh my goodness, this is quite pretty. Open it up. Oh, they are the same, are they? How do I... Uh-oh. Oh, this is a safety, must be. What is this? I like this color, but I cannot. Oh, yeah. Oh, you can use your hand just to. It's a pretty simple safety. What is this for? What is this for? I don't know, but I will figure it out. Wow, it looks pretty good actually. Quite thin, very thin, very thin. Not like a lot of knife that quite thick, but this one is quite thin. How do I? There should be a way that I can open it. Oh yeah, a little bit. So you can use a knife to open it. Oh, yeah, I like this kind of knife. I'm going to cut something. Ooh, wow. Oh my, that's so sharp. It has already been sharpened. Wow, that's pretty good. I think this is the way to do it. I think because it's so sharp, it needs to be protected. Where do I put this? I have no idea. Where? It's just a little bit of a fun decoration, I guess. That's it. so good. I will do some ginger or cucumber cutting with them. See ya later, alligator. Love it. Looks so good. Bye-bye. So just now my family came back, and I think this is for this. Turn it. I am not very powerful. I am not very. So I think this is what it is for. So you can see I think you can choose to have a different blade, but fork should be this way. It should be. What did I do? Why? Oh, this way. Oh my goodness. This is the way. Butterfork. Put this one in. So that you can have different color. There are different color choices actually. Okay, to make myself safe, I will protect myself. Okay, now I can do put in, and here you can see put these two in it, in the largest one, twist it, twist it, twist it. Now it's firm. Now I open this. This is the knife. It's not wobbly, it's quite strong. Now I will cut something. I have some pear. Now let me try to cut. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's such a pleasure. Look at it. Look at it. It's transparent, so thin. Now we will cut it. Yeah, yanghaiying cutting is to be seen. It's so sharp and so good. I'm This shape is quite pleasant. Look at it. So thin. Oh, so good. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah, same thing for this knife. That's really a very good knife. Oh, 等一下啊。Now let's try this knife. Okay. This is long and slender. Also very, very good to use. Okay. 哦，这个特别好用。It's so good. And this one is Asian style, so you cut it flat. I am more comfortable with this flat bottom. And this one is a chef knife. Usually French cooking, you cut this way. You roll the knife. And I am not very, very familiar with this style. I was born with this, but it's very good, very good. Oh, I love them. Oh, so good. Enjoy. Bon appetito, Butterfork.